Yes, student, it is in the continuation of the previous video in which we were setting the environment variable through our setup, through our control panel. Some students are getting some problem of JNI. Like suppose I repeat the same steps again in front of you. Environment variable, and I told you all to edit this path variable. So you have to type here as Java JTK 15 bin. Okay, so we found it that when we will shift on to the CMD and CD CD Java program, then Java C, it is executing. Suppose now I want to execute a program sum.java, but when I want to execute it, there is a problem. So this problem is appearing to many of the students. So how we will rectify it? Basically, this error is due to the JRE. JRE is a Java runtime environment. So in that case, what we have to do, as you people had copied this Java folder, JDK in your Java folder, like I had also copied here JDK, and I explore from there, that place. But in this case, we are having JDK in our Java folder, but JR is not available. So what we have to do, it is actually available. It always be available if you uh, set up the Java, then it always be available into your C program file or C Java. If you are seeing, there is also a JDK and NetBeans, but there is no JRE. So what you have to do, you have to go to the program files, C drive, program files. There also is folder. So there is both of the things is there, JDK and JRE. So you have to set the path to this folder. So how you will set the path of JDK and JRE is this. So you can select this JDK and then bin. So copy this path and then set it in your environment variable as advanced settings, environment variables, path, edit. So remove this by using delete option. Now create new and set this path for JDK. Okay. Now again you have to set a path for the JRE also. So go into this folder again, and where is your JRE is available. That is your JRE. So in that case, you can set it till there, JRE. So copy it, copy this path also, and then go into the environment variable again and edit the same path again by adding the path of JRE also. So say JRE and save. Okay. Then again say okay and okay. Now we will try whether this JRE is available to our system or not. Java C. Now Java. It's giving problem because it is the previous one. Now I am again opening the same CMD, means command prompt. Now I will check whether it is working or not. CD Java program. This is a folder where I had stored all my programs, Java programs. So first of all, I have to compile, although it is already compiled, so there is no need to compile again and again. There was a problem in executing the class file, means bytecode. Now this problem is not been there. So how you had removed it? You had to given the path of JDK as well as JRE in your environment variable. So see it again. I had set the environment variables, and this environment variable, the path has been set as uh, this. So there is two entries. One is for JDK, another is for JRE. So now what you have to do? You have to find your JRE path in your system. So I suppose the people who are getting a problem of JNI, they will get resolved this problem using this video. Thank you all.